Dramatic Bestie Caitlin Couture, back with another video. So today we're going to be doing the TikTok trend of the I'm so cold makeup look. I'm super excited as I think it's so fun and cute, and it's still winter time, so I still have time, and I have a really cute outfit that I want to put together for this look. You guys might see it, I'm not sure. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see it, or my TikTok. All that information will be in the description below, as well as the products that I will be using. So just take a look after or in the middle of the video. You can pause it. I'm okay with you pausing it, okay? We ain't gonna tussle, bestie. Come on now, we're not gonna tussle. But let's get into it. Okay guys, so apparently my camera didn't record all the things I did in the beginning. So currently I'm wearing my Fancy contact lenses that are in a really cute green color. I'll leave the name of it as well as my discount code so you guys can try it out as well. It does give a really natural look. I didn't do too much, like, thank God. I should have checked, but I went in with my LA Girl Pro concealer just so I can block out all of the dark spots that I have from just years of damage, like from popping pimples. And I kind of got into like how I don't know how to explain it, like help with cystic acne as well. But I am just so annoyed by that, but it's okay. Literally just did my eyebrows. This one just seems a little bit thicker and I don't like it, but whatever. I did use my Giorgio Armani powder concealer just to get underneath, and that is just like, it's like my shade color but a little bit lighter. We are now going to go get into foundation, and I'm just going to use their most famous Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. This is in the color, let me see, 13 I think. I'm just going to spritz some of this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray on there just to weten up the brush. But like I was saying, I've been really getting into less heavy foundation, like full coverage, and more natural light to medium coverage, just because like concealer can help a lot with that, I feel, and just like taking out the heavy work from there, because I feel like if you put too much foundation on, it starts to look really, really cakey and really like not as natural, and nobody wants that like at all. So that is why I just wanted to stick with something that's more lightweight, easy to use, don't need like a lot of layers. And I'm just looking at my mirror on the corner here because it's like huge and I can't like see myself, so I might just bring it right here so I can see myself a little bit better. Yeah, I just want to see how you guys are doing. I'm really excited to try out this makeup look. I hope it comes out really cute because I've been seeing it a lot on the internet, and I was just like, I have a perfect outfit that I would love to wear with it. You guys might get a glimpse of that. I'm still debating. But like, what are some like really cute makeup looks you've been getting into lately? Lately I've been really liking the Korean beauty kind of look. So I'm basically covered now. Now we're gonna get into my concealer, and I'm just gonna hit some areas like right around here, on the nose here, right here, and I'm just gonna do a little bit here. I've been doing this a lot, and then right down the middle and on the nose. And before I get into it, I like to just let it sit for a minute and then let it marinate to the skin, and then we'll spread it out. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. It's been a minute. We let it sit. We let it do its thing. So we're gonna go ahead and pat it in, and I'm just gonna briefly just kind of have it angled a little bit here. Now I am going to start doing some light baking. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier and lightly pat it underneath my eye. And I like to shake out the excess. That's a cool trick that I've learned, just to make it not cakey. A little bit here. I'm just going to put... And I don't let it sit too long. Just like long enough where I have some time to put on my bronzer. So guys, I found a new bronzer. Before I was using Fenty, but I was like, I want to try something a little bit different, a little bit more new. So I'm going in with the Juvia Place bronzer in dark. I'm not a contour girl. I realize I'm a bronzer girl. And it's going to stick that way. And I'm going to take the darkest one and I'm just going to put it around. And I'm not going to put it super low. I'm only going to put it like a little bit. Just a little bit. So I like to start a little bit high and then work my way. I just like to tap it. Kind of brush it out a little bit. I'm just going to tap some more. And I keep it really high. I don't take it too low. And then next I am going to take my HD Finish powder from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm just going to put that under my eye because I do want it like really, really bright right there. Because that's what that look is like. It's really bright. I'm going to take that same color. And I'm just going to start, I think I'm going to start from here. And I really like this shade, so I will be putting it a little bit on my inner corner here. So I'm just taking a little blending brush and just lightly pushing it on. It gives that like, I tried but I didn't really try look. I just light blush on. I want to go in with my eyeliner in white. So this is how you get the cold look. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer. Well, I'm gonna get closer to you guys so you guys can see. Some on my nose here. I'm gonna take my bronzer and just go a little bit under here for some dimension. So I am going to go in with a white eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my Morphe 24A Artist Pass for this. I'm going to just use All Access to put it right where I put that white base at. Next, we're going to go into blush, and I'm going to use my Juvia Place Volume 5 blush. I am going to use this blush here, which is a really cute pinky color. I feel like the other one might be a little bit too much, but I don't know. I might, you know what? I actually like to mix both, so I'm going to probably do that. Mix both, and now we're going to get this. And then I'm going to see how that looks. Because again, guys, we're cold. we're cold. We're cold. So I'm just going to take it up, and I'm just going to pat it in like so. Just add some life into me. Alright, next I am going to put some little freckles. So for my freckles, I like to use the Sephora eyeliner in the shade Brown. It's just my go-to, and I'm just going to add it like around my nose area. Also, yes, actually I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Powerpuff Girl palette, sorry, my Powerpuff Girl palette in the color Professor Utonium. I'm just going to take a little bit because I really want that bright look. So I'm just going to go in with it and put a little bit on my nose. So I am going in with my Fenty cream, and I'm just going to lightly pat it onto my lips here. So hold on one second. Oh, there we go. And I'm just going to keep it like right here. I like to use this as like a kind of lip stain kind of vibe. Then I am going to go in with my Colourpop lippy stick. This is in the color, does it say it on here? Coffee Shop. So it's a creamy kind of matte color. I'm just going to line my lips with it. And then to finish my lips off, I will be going in with my Dior Lip Glow Oil in the color Raspberry. They're not a cherry, so it's okay. Like, I'm not mad at it, but damn. But again, like, it's really sheer, so it's not like really pigmented, which is perfectly fine. That's me. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish the rest of this look offline and show you guys the full results. Finished look. I feel like the air musk looks a little bit better on like longer hair because I feel like I don't really like it as much with my short haircut. But other than that, like, this is the makeup look. This is how it came out. Very cute, very blush cold vibes. Now I do have a really nice like glowy kind of finish, so it's not as matte as I would like it to be, but it's still very cute. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which products you decided to choose, and if you do decide to try out this makeup look as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm like dying right now because my cat literally has the zoomies.